Now we return. Blinking and unsure, we re-emerge. Now we, the remaining, return to a landscape changed by muffled losses performed off stage. Anish, isn't it a bit late to claim innocence? Wouldn't this be the occasion for revelation? Life is short. Ní leanach shall ar gorta. The ticking clock reports in chimes. Days fly and the years flit by. Today you stand in gown and cap, a signpost on your lifelong map. Set forth upon that winding road. Yours is the earth and all it holds. At times you'll face an uphill climb. Thousands will tell you not to try. Ach is latsa the hail, ná cuirimue, dúshig the dúchrach. Don't hesitate, so that if again the sky falls in, or they pull the plug on the whole thing, you'll know you gathered rosebuds while you could. Unfurl yourself fully into this new beginning. Return now to the world with a burning love for living.